Hi everyone, so we'll be making today legume aubergine avec chou, so eggplant and cabbage. I'll be using eggplant and chayote, but you can use only the eggplant. Then you need to use 2 or 3 eggplant. For the cabbage, let me show you. Don't use that hard part in the middle, you see. Just cut right there, but don't use that part because it will take you more time to be tender. And I have here lima beans, and I don't know what they call this in English. I'll be adding the translation, but this is poitin in French, in Creole. So those are frozen ones. Those are optional. So I'll be browning the beef. So I'll show you how to begin the recipe. Okay. So we need to brown the beef. So first I'm going to add what we call in Creole épices. So I made a video of it, adding some. Okay. So we use this to marinate meat. So I have the meat here. Alright. So I'll be adding this meat. So I'm going to add some tomato paste too. So I'm going to add some tomato paste. It will add some nice color in it. So the meat has been browning now. So one advice: don't add all the meat at the same time because it will be boiling instead of browning, and the meat was already marinated and salted, so I didn't add anything at first. I'll be adding some water now just to cover the meat. Okay, just to cover the meat, and then we'll add the vegetables. So we need to have the hot one first, like the chayote. So I cut them like that, so it will be easy for me to take them off, so I can mash them. Okay. Alright, I have cabbage here. Oh, I'll be putting some seasoning to this is maggi, so I'll be putting. Some people don't like to use it, so just don't use it, you know. Okay, carrots. What else? Some over here. Okay, and eggplant. So you can use one eggplant, but I like eggplant, so I kind of use a lot. And actually, this is not a lot because you'll see it will lose its water, and you know. All right. Okay. The watercress. Just take the leaf, you know. Okay, and lima beans and poitin. Those are frozen ones. Oops. Alright. Just like that. Okay, the watercress. No, the poitin. Actually, I should have put that first. I kind of forgot. Okay, so put the beans and the poitin first. Okay. So let's cover everything. Okay, just a little bit. Okay, so that's it, and leave it here for about 10 minutes. So you see now we have water. So this is the eggplant, and it gave its water. So that's why I told you to not add too much water at first. Okay, over there. And what else? Don't forget to put the lima beans and the poitin first, so I kind of forgot. And this for the seasoning, don't put too much seasoning at first, because we'll be adjusting the seasoning. Okay. So this is ready to be mashed. You see how the eggplant has cooked. So let's put everything in a big bowl. Take the eggplant and the chayote off. Okay. And we need to mash everything. Oh, like that. Okay. Okay, so now the eggplant and the chayote are mashed. And I've waited until the beef is cooked. And the cabbage should be really tender, okay? You have to let everything until it's tender. When it's tender, you have to taste it. Add some seasoning. You know, I'm going to add some seasoning, the habanero chili, some habanero chili to have some kick, and some garlic powder. Okay. Oh, this is almost done. Let's add everything. Okay. Let's mix everything. Oh, let me add some tomato paste again. Okay. So just mix everything. And we're going to cover it again, let it simmer. So there's no water, like no sauce in it anymore. Okay, so I'm going to let it simmer again. Okay. This is almost done. So I'm going to add some butter in it. Have some simmer again. Cool. Okay. That's it. So how do they serve it? I have some white rice here, and we'll be adding the legume in the rice, like that. Carrots, some meat, and that's it. Okay, and that's it. So see, that was easy. And at last I added some vinegar, 2 teaspoons of vinegar, and this will be it. Okay, thank you, and I hope you enjoyed my recipe. Bye.